ToffeeTV.com.
Hi, I'm Tara and I love making rainbow looms. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bracelet using the tidal wave technique. And you'll be needing a loom, a hook, 23 white rubber bands, 8 red bands, 8 orange bands, 6 yellow, green, blue, purple and pink bands, and you'll need a black band and a C-clip. So I'm going to take a white band and I'm going to go in zigzag form. This is how you're supposed to go on, so you can see the zigzag going from here and here until the 24 bands aren't finished. What you're going to be doing is you're going to repeat this step. This is the zigzag. Now I'm going to take 2 orange bands, okay? Now I'm going to go from here to here. So I'm going to put this band on, take it and twist it, put it onto this peg and to here. What it looks like. So like this, every band is shaped like an 8. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cap a band. This is what it looks like. So I just hooked it. So I'm going to take this, take it off, so every single band should come on your hook, and then you just let it go. Keep doing this in a zigzag form. So this is what it looks like. Keep looming with me and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi, I'm Tara and I love making rainbow looms. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make an extension of the fishtail bracelet. So you can do it as many times as you want. It depends on your hand wrist. And so I'm just going to put this capped band on the fishtail bracelet on. Okay. And you can just let that go, and then you take the white band from here, just put on 4, and you just pass it on to the other peg like this. So this is the extension. I'm gonna take this purple band off, okay, and you just stretch it, and this is supposed to be your extension. Now as you have to put something on, so I'm just going to put the S-clip, okay, S-clip. Okay, so this is what the extension looks like. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time with another tip. Keep looming with me. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.